In a peaceful village near the river, there lived a rich man named Mahesh. He was kind, humble, and always ready to help others. Whenever someone in the village needed money, Mahesh never refused. If a farmer needed seeds, he gave them. If a student couldn't afford books, he paid the fees. If a poor man needed food, Mahesh sent bags of rice. Everyone in the village respected him and called him our golden-hearted Mahesh. After many years of helping others, Mahesh decided to start a new business. He built a small factory near the river and worked day and night. Slowly, it became very successful. He started saving his money carefully, thinking, I must build a strong future. But one night, heavy rain began to fall. The river overflowed. Water rushed through the fields and flooded the village.
Mahesh ran to his factory, but it was too late. The strong current pulled the building into the river. By morning, everything was gone. His money, his machines, all lost. For the first time, Mahesh had nothing. He went from house to house asking for a small loan to restart his work. But the same people he once helped now closed their doors. Some said they had no money. Others simply turned away. Heartbroken and frustrated, Mahesh sat under a tree near the river and whispered, I helped everyone, and now no one helps me. Maybe life is not fair. Days passed. One morning, as he walked sadly through the market, he saw a small shop selling lottery tickets. A tiny spark of hope lit up inside him. He thought, what if luck visits me just once? He bought a single ticket with the little money he had left.
That night, he prayed silently. I've lost everything, but I still have hope. A week later, the village crowd gathered near the newspaper board to see the lottery results. When the winning number was announced, Mahesh's heart skipped a beat. It was his ticket. He had won the grand prize. Tears filled his eyes. He fell to his knees and said, When no one stood by me, hope did. Mahesh rebuilt his factory. But this time, he didn't just help others blindly. He helped wisely, teaching people how to work and earn instead of giving money freely.
Moral: kindness is good, but wisdom is better. Never lose hope, because even in your darkest moment, life can surprise you.